Hey everybody, sorry it's bad lighting, but I'm with Isabella and we're just walking around because we don't know what to do, and we're about to go back to the park again. And yeah, so let me tell you a little about something that's going on in school. Okay, so in school there's like a bunch of tea. So
there's new relationships.
There's new relationships. There's new everything.
People who hate each other.
Yeah, exactly. People getting in fights and
people threatening to kill people.
Yeah, exactly. Yo, Eva, you see that?
Yeah.
You see that?
What is that? Oh my god, what is that?
What the fuck is that?
Should we just keep going?
Yeah, we should just keep on going. I don't know, guys, but we just saw something over there, and it was like something moving. I don't know what the fuck it was. But
should we just keep going?
Yeah, we should just. Wait, listen. What is that? It has to be some fire alarm or something like that.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Shouldn't be anything.
Yeah, shouldn't be anything. I think it's fine.
It's getting louder.
What the fuck? It has to be fire. Why does it?
Back up. What is that? Is that a Purge alarm?
Is that the Purge alarm?
Is that a fucking Purge alarm?
That better not be for fucking Purge alarm. I swear to fucking God.
We need to go. We need to go.
We need to go.
We need to fucking go.
We need to go. That's probably what we saw over there. Isabella?
What is that?
What is that? Fuck is
Oh my god.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? What the fuck? Run, Isabella! Run! Come follow me! What the fuck? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck is that? Who the fuck? We need to hide. We need to hide. Isabella. Here, hide on the playset.
Go hide in the tunnel. Go hide in the tunnel.
Tunnel. Okay. What the fuck? What the fuck? We keep on hearing the alarm. What the fuck?
Becca, maybe we should run. Run back to your house.
Yeah, let's go. This is fucking scary. What kind of alarm is that? Okay. Because it keeps on going. Like,
I think that's a alarm. Purge is happening.
the Purge? What the fuck? The fucking Purge is going. Alright, guys, we don't know what to fucking do. The Purge is fucking going. This is the quickest way. Guys, I'm sorry for all the wind, but we don't know what the fuck is going on. Is it the fucking Purge? Fire alarm, tornado alarm? What the fuck, like this sky is like...
Tornado alarm. I never told you when sounds like
What?
Purge alarm. I watched the movie and I knew it would fucking come true. Look at this.
So you think it's the fucking Purge?
Yeah, it's a fucking Purge.
Better not.
Oh my god, what is
Is something going on?
What the fuck is someone following us? I have a feeling.
Guys, what the fuck? I think something's following us.
Someone's following us. Hector, someone's following us. Can you look back up?
Alright. What the fuck's going on, guys? This is fucking crazy. The alarm is getting fucking louder. I don't know what to fucking do. I'm fucking scared. I was just doing a normal fucking video, but now I know what to caption this. we're gonna cut it here. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it's getting fucking scary.